Hey everyone, welcome to my new art channel. I'm Nicole. I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel for a little while, but I wasn't sure what type of art I wanted to focus on. See, I have lots of different interests and I enjoy trying new things. So I decided to make my art channel about that. My favorite type of art is mixed media and found object assemblages. Here's a set of wood panels with old springs that I have created recently. So I started out with a block of wood, painted it with acrylic paint, and then decoupaged a few pieces of paper, and then attached an old rusted spring. Oops. And here's another piece that I've done. Wherever I go, I look out for discarded pieces of metal, bottle caps, just anything that looks interesting. I also enjoy mudlarking. This is an old pharmaceutical bottle that I found, and I'm thinking about attaching this to a piece of wood and maybe using it for some type of flower arrangement. I'm not sure. And I think this might be an old baby bottle, but I don't know for sure. So anyway, that's just a little bit of information about what you will see on my channel. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time.